Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the base map pin size on the MapMarker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, and in the help and feedback section go to the settings option. New, in the display section go to the third option, the base map pin size, and here you can select the tiny, small, normal, large and huge option, and just select one and step on it, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.